coordinates. All right, so now coordinates, you're going to look something on a graph like this, all right? So a coordinate could be, let's say 3 and 4. So we're in a bracket. What that means is this side, the horizontal, is the x-axis, and the vertical line is the y. So what that means is this first one is the x, and this second one is the y. Now, to make it a little bit easier, let's plot them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say 5, and then you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is what the graph would look like. And the coordinate that we have is 3, 4. Now, the way to plot this is you first go along the x-axis up to number 3, and then you go up the y-axis to 4, okay? So it would go 1, 2, 3, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and that would be the plot, 3 to 4. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So now let's give you another one. Let's go 5 and 3. Can you plot that on the graph for me? So you go along the bottom.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
There you go, perfect. Thank you very much for watching another math tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!